Today we're building something very practical, a simple contact form using only Python. No need for HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. PyWebIO makes it super easy. Let's take a look at the code. We're using the input group function to create a group of input fields, a text box for the user's name, one for their email address, and a final box for their message. When the user submits the form, we use put markdown to display the submitted data in a nice formatted style. It's a great way to learn how to collect multiple inputs and display the result dynamically on the page. Now let's run the Python file. After running the script, you'll see a web address printed in the terminal. Open that address in your browser. You'll see a form with 3 fields. Enter your name, email, and message, then hit the submit button. And boom, you'll see a nicely formatted message showing the data you entered. That's the power of put markdown in action. Subscribe for more hands-on Python projects and let me know in the comments what you'd like to build next. See you in the next lesson.